Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect an API using an HTTP request logic. The goal for today is to create this URL shortener service, so let's see how it works. I'm going to copy this link from this page and let's paste it here. After calling the API, you can see the result here. As you can see, this service has a bit of latency, but after all, this tutorial will show you how to connect your own API, and the possibilities are endless. So let's get started. The idea for this video came to me after your feedback on the previous video where we connected an API using the direct integration feature from the Composer. So today basically we're going to do the same thing but using an HTTP request. The main difference between those two ways of connecting the API is that when using the direct integration, you can also have your schema set from the response of the API. So the API we're going to use today is this one from Rapid API, which is free. I will also link this page down below if you're interested to use it yourself. Let's first test the API using a URL. We can paste it here and everything works fine. From here we can choose the JavaScript and jQuery so we have the structure as we want it. So let's move to the Composer. And here in the Composer I have some basics made. We will use two page variables. The one will be the URL we want to shorten and the second one will be the URL we get from the response. I have connected the response in this title in the URL we want to shorten in this input, and on this button we can go ahead to creating our HTTP request. We're going to need the URL and the method, which is post. We need here the URL and here the method. Also we're going to use the headers. This one first. This is the header and this one is the value. The same goes for this one. Let's save it. You can see that we also have this header, but this can also get changed from here. As for the request body, this is it. Let's change this part with our page variable of the URL we want to shorten. Next we can add a toast for the error port. And set the other page variable with a shortened URL from the response. We use the rest body. And here in the response, you can see it comes like this. This is what we want to use. And now that everything is ready, let's test it. We're going to use the same URL as before and give it a go. Everything works perfect. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, hit the like button, consider subscribing for future videos, and don't hesitate to send me a message in the Appgyver Forum.